Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Hello, it's time to get our food ready for tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm being silly. Don't pay me no mind. Okay, let's go see what we got. All right, so we're going to start off. Let's just build everything from scratch. First thing I have in the morning is my coffee. And brace yourself. We are not making a salad for tomorrow. I know. I told you to brace yourself. You probably fell over in your chair, didn't you? All right, so I got my electrolytes ready for in the morning. Oh, that's not open. We're going to have some sugar-free syrup, the Torani, I don't know. And we're going to add our coffee. Okay, there we go. Get my lid on her. Stick it in my little side pouch. Okay, then let's get breakfast together. I'm gonna get a Ziploc bag. It's only in case the eggs break because do you hear him? Somebody must be walking. So we're gonna have our pork, right? Lord. Hey! Hush! We'll see. Oh my goodness. Lou! He don't listen. That boy don't listen. He don't listen, that boy. Okay. Yeah, so focus, Terry. So we got, this is our pork. Oh, let me go get him. Hold on. Okay, so we're also going to add, let's see. So we got our ground pork. We're also going to add a little bit of bacon grease to it. Boy, don't go back out there and holler. No, sir. We ain't having that kind of business tonight. Don't nobody want to hear all that racket. Nobody wants to hear that racket. So a little bit of bacon grease. And then we're going to do a couple eggs. These eggs might not fit in there, but I don't want to dirty up something else. So I'm going to put the eggs in a Ziploc bag. So that way, if this doesn't work and they break, they'll be contained. And I'll go on and put this cheese in there too. Alright, wish me luck. How's it gonna work? Dun, dun, dun. No, it won't work. Okay then. Well, it's just gonna have to. Yeah. Well, I'll just put it in here and take it. I was about to say, but this is dirty because it's been up against there, but it's all right. I'll just have 2 containers. It is what it is. So that's our breakfast for tomorrow. We're just taking this for breakfast. The Suzanne method of making my breakfast eggs. I am taking this not as part of my breakfast, but as in case my lunch situation does not work. Today I had what I had on the grill and so I added 2, this is turkey sausages, which I had those this week. Remember this weekend I had 3 turkey sausages, and then the next time I had some of that and some ground beef and I did fine. So maybe between the very, very dehydrated grilled meat that I made and those 2 turkey sausage, maybe it'll be fine. And then I've got the vegetables in there, but I'm also going to take a few carrots. My plan is to have the carrots for lunch, but not touch the yogurt. That's my plan. Yogurt will not be part of my actual lunch. It's just, if at 3 o'clock I'm like, then I will grab it. So it's just going with me as a backup plan. So there's our lunch, our breakfast, and then a couple apples, and I'm throwing the yogurt in there. And we'll see how it goes down tomorrow. We gotta do what we gotta do. So, all right, so there's our breakfast, lunch, and coffee, and any, in case of emergency, yogurt. Okay, bye. See, oh, my goodness. Almost forgot my spoon. I know I have a couple at work now because y'all told me. See, that is why I love my comment section, because of you. You, and even you way down there, you little quiet one, you matter to me too. So all of you all matter to me. And I love my comment section because you all say like brilliant things like, Terry, why don't you take a couple extra big spoons to work in case you forget yours? Duh, I didn't even think of it. So see, I'm serious. My comment section, mwah, I love you, and I love you, and I love you, and I love you, and I love you too. Even though you might fuss at me about whatever. I don't care. I still love you. Okay, bye. We're at the gym this morning. It is 5:15. I'm done with the gym, and I'm almost home. So it is 6:05. So it takes me about 40 minutes to do my workout. Okay, bye. It is Red Hat Ladies Day, so I went ahead and wore my hat to work. I don't usually do it, but I'm doing it today. And I've got my pin for the ladies, and I got my purple ring and my red ring, and I got because our group, we're called the Mississippi River Winches because we're on the Mississippi River. So got my little pirate bracelet on one of the ladies made, and I got a Red Hat lady bracelet, and then I got my little Red Hat earring. So I am set to go. So after work, I'll run home and feed the dogs and let them out, and then I'll go meet the ladies. And we meet at a local pizza place, and so it's really nice. They have something called a pizza bake, and so it's just all the toppings and stuff from a pizza, just made in a baking dish instead of on a crust. So I get that and a one-trip salad. I try to show you all. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't, but I at least take a picture of it. So, that way you can see how I do when I'm eating out. So they all get pizza, or some of them get what I get. But anyway, so here's my breakfast. I've cooked up my eggs and the pork in my microwave. I'm going to put some seasonings on it. I'm actually kind of sad. The pork I buy, it's Smithfield. And I got an alert on my phone a while ago, and it said 35, I got pig farms, 35 pig something for Smithfield are going to be shut down here in my state. Because, I'm in Missouri, and I guess they have a bunch of the pig farms or pig something here in my state. I didn't see, I just saw 35 pork something being shut down. I don't know if it's like the plants where they process them or what. So anyway, it made me kind of sad. So price of pork might be going up in my area. So we might have to change up. But it was Smithfield, which, like I said, that's the brand of pork that I buy. So anyway, at Walmart. So, all right, so I put some salt on there and some of my Creole seasoning, and that's what I'm going to eat. And I'm not having the yogurt. Like I said, that's for later if I need it. I might not need it. We just brought it as backup. That's good. Good. See you later. Hey, it's lunchtime, and I'll show you these. I got my apples, of course, and I got some carrots. Kind of new for me. I didn't eat carrots along the way, but I'm eating some today. Our blackened beef. The nurses had nerve to say that it looks burnt. Psh, what do they know? It's blackened beef. We're getting fancy up in here. Don't be letting people tell you your food ain't fancy. Blackened beef is fancy. Dry, but it's still fancy. Okay, that's my lunch. And I still have that yogurt in my bag just in case. So the next thing if I don't eat it. Something's on my phone. Oh, it's the lid from my thing. I saw that. I was wondering what that was, but anyway. All right. Well, I'm gonna eat. I'll see you all maybe at supper. Like I said, I'll show you what I can. If not, I'll tell you all about it. Bye. Okay, boys and girls, this is why Terry said chew slow, and this is why you don't put toothpicks in your shish kebabs. So it's about as long as my knuckle right there. So that would have hurt if I would have been chewing fast and swallowed it. So I just wanted to update you. Don't put toothpicks in your shish kebabs. Okay, bye. I remember to show you my salad tonight. There's my salad. It's a one-trick salad bar. And there's my everything pizza bake. I told them light on the sauce tonight. That is okay, bye. And that is a wrap. I had a one-trip salad, and then I had the pizza bake. And it was everything pizza bake. So it had like all the different meats and veggies and stuff. And I told him I want half the sauce. So light on the sauce so it wasn't as much sauce. It was good. Had a good time. All right, I'm home. I'm going to get everything off and get this video uploaded. And I'll see you. Oh, I got a meal. I'll see you in the next video. I got to get my stuff ready for tomorrow. Okay, bye.